Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn another truss. We are going to analyze it and we are gonna design it. Okay, so this is the truss we are gonna analyze and design. Okay, so at first open Stat Pro. Sorry. Click on New Project. Click on truss. Now give a name, truss, length unit, feet and pound. Okay, feet and pound. Then click on next. Okay, then click on add beam, then finish. Now you can see in the picture this angle or this member is 60 degree on the horizon. So for creating degree, go to edit, you have to edit the grid. Now spacing, change to 10 feet. This is 10 feet, 10 feet, so change it to 10 feet. 10 feet, 10 feet, and in the x direction let's decrease some length and change the skew. This is 0 degree. In the x direction change it to 60 degree. If I change it to 60 degree, then x axis will go in the y direction 60 degree. X axis will make an angle with horizon 60 degree. Then click on OK. Now you can see the axis is in the 60 degree. Go to front view and you can see. Okay, now in the we have to create node 2. There is 2 node, 10 feet, 10 feet, 2 member. So at first we are going to give it to 0 and create the base node 10 feet, 10 feet. Okay, complete. Now go to edit. Now change the skew to 60 degree. Okay, now press Ctrl and I'm going to zoom it. Now press Ctrl and create a member in here. Okay, now switch off the grid. Okay, this is 60 degree, so add a beam here. Okay, now this is also 60 degree. And you can see this node is perpendicular to this member, and this angle is, these two angles 60 degrees, so this node will meet or perpendicular on the middle of the member. So we are going to go to edit option, and in the x-axis we are going to change 10 feet to 5 feet and skew 0. Then OK. Now you can see, now select a member in the middle of this member and again in the middle of this member. Okay, now switch off the grid. this is 60 degree, so we have to cut these two beam. Okay, now press. No, we don't draw this, we don't need this member, so delete it. Okay, now we have to intersect, we have to cut it to member. So go to geometry, go to insert selected members, select insert, and this you will divide it into 4 beams. So delete this upper member, delete the nodes, and you will see our member is complete. Now go to display node, or you can go to dimension, display to view, display close. Now you can see the heights. Now this is 10 feet, this is 8.66 feet. Now go to add beam. Now create a beam, and now what I have done, just I have done this first property or first triangle. Okay, now we have to create the second triangle. Now we are gonna delete this. We're gonna create a node, or you can copy this node, Ctrl C from your keyboard, and paste this node in the upper 8.66 feet. Paste in the y direction 8.66 feet. Okay. Now we have to add the beam. Again go to dimension, display close, and you're gonna see this is our figure. Okay, you can create any figure in StatPro. Okay, now see, this is our figure. See, so now we have to give the property. Go at first we have to create support. This is pinned and this is fixed part. Go to support, click on create, add the pin support, and go to create again, and the fixed part in the FX or MZ. This is actually a roller. In StatPro it will take fixed part. In the left is fixed part, so select this, and you can click on use cursor to assign, then click on assign. You can see assigning, and you can give here. Again switch on this, and you can give here. This is the purpose of use cursor to assign. Okay, now switch off the dialog box. You have to give member property. Go to property page, click on section database, and now give your select your suitable code. I'm going to select Indian code, and I'm going to select angle, and I'm going to select let's see this angle. Okay, now this is single section for table. Okay, now make sure you have selected steel, add, close. Now I'm going to give it to the whole property, whole figure. Now assign to view, assign yes. Now we have to give load according to your figure. These two nodes have 100 pound and 300 pound, and this node 400 pound. So close these, go to load page, click on load case detail, click on add, select primary. You can loading type, select date or none, add it, close it, select load case 1, click on add, select the self weight, add the self weight. Now nodal load in the FY, first is 4000 LV minus, because it works on the downward, 1000, 3000, 4000. Now add it again, minus 1000, add it, and 3000, sorry, 3000, add it, close it. Now 4000 will go to the down node, this node, select this node and click on assign to selected nodes, and this is downward, this is 3000, click on assign to selected nodes, assign, yes. This is 1000, click on assign to selected nodes, assign, yes, and self weight goes to the whole structure. Okay, now I have to analyze it. Go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Okay, in the previous video which I uploaded in the TRAS, so some of our friend is not understanding the video properly, so I'm gonna elaborate in this video in the design part. Okay, now there is, see, there is no error, no warning, and no notes. So click on done, and we are going to design it. So go to design, go to still design. Now select your code. Now watch this video carefully. Okay, now select your code. You can select any code. I am going to select IS 8000. Okay, now these are code, and these we are going to design the figure in the base of this code IS 800. Then select your parameters. Okay, this is a parameter you can select. This is the available parameter. We are going to select FYLD. This is the yield strength of steel. Then select it, and this is our selected parameter. Then click on OK. Now define the parameter which I have selected. Okay, now these are default strength. Then add it, close it, and go to the commands. Now select check code. What is check code? Now I have given some property and some loads and supports also. So the code which is IS 800 will check the figure which I have drawing it or module it in the StatPro. Okay, so code will check the figure, and he will decide it, or he will decide what the property can be given on the basis of the loads which I applied. Okay, this is the purpose of check code. The code will check on my drawing. Okay, now add it. You can see check the adequacy of member based on specification of the desired code. Add it. Now select the member takeoff. Now what is the member takeoff? It provides a tabular report of the total length, weight of all section. Now length and the total weight of section used in the structure. Now this is the weight of this. The figure have a weight, and this is the total length used in structure on a member by member basis. Okay, now add it. Now select the select. Okay, now what is select? Now select is list weight section size based on specification. Now the code will check my figure, and the code will decide what the property can be given on the basis of load. Okay, Now say I have given the property much larger than the suitable property. Now the code will decide what the property is right or wrong. If the property is not economical, then the code will give the economical property. This will the purpose of select. Then add it. Now the takeoff. Now the takeoff is it provide a tabular report of the total length with an all section used in the structure. Okay, then add it, close it, and the all comments will goes to the assign to view. Assign to view, yes. Check code, assign to view. Still member takeoff, assign to view. Select, assign to view, and still takeoff, assign to view. Now we have to analyze it. Go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, now print, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Now I hope you understand the design of the steel. Now you can see there is no error, no warning, no notes. So all our design is perfect. You can go to the output file, view output file, and select this option, select design, and this is your section. All this is passed. Go to this steel design, and you can see which I have select, which I have give the property. Now this is the property for the all member. Now some member is passed, but some member is fail. See. Now I have selected the select option, and code will checked and select the property which can be taken according the load, and the code will design it, and code gives the suitable member. You can see the member, different member, code used different member for different section for different member, and it will all passed. Okay, see. So this is easy actually. Now go to the post processing. Okay, you can check the animation. Okay, you can output the report. So this is how you're gonna design and analyze a steel truss. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Okay, bye.